Today, I'm going to be talking about Favepay eCard. This is a new product from Fave that allows you to pay for things online and in-store using your phone. I've been using Favepay eCard for a few weeks now, and I'm really impressed with it. It's a really convenient way to pay for things, and it's also very secure. I'm going to show you how to set up your Favepay eCard, how to use it to pay for things online and in-store, and I'll also talk about some of the benefits of using Favepay eCard. Have you ever been in a situation where you wanted to pay for something online or in-store, but you didn't have your credit card or debit card with you? Or maybe you didn't want to use your card because you were worried about security? If so, then Favepay eCard is the perfect solution for you. What is Favepay eCard? Favepay eCard is a virtual card that you can use to pay for things online and in-store. It's linked to your Fave account, so you can easily keep track of your spending. How to set up your Favepay eCard. Setting up your Favepay eCard is easy. All you need to do is download the Fave app and create an account. Once you've done that, you can go to the Cards tab and tap on Create eCard. You'll then be asked to provide some information about yourself, such as your name and address. Once you've done that, you'll be able to choose a design for your eCard. Once your eCard is set up, you can start using it right away. How to use your Favepay eCard to pay for things online and in-store. To use your Favepay eCard to pay for things online, you simply need to add it as a payment method to your preferred website or app. Once you've done that, you can use it to make purchases just like you would with any other payment method. To use your Favepay eCard to pay for things in-store, you can simply scan the QR code on your eCard using the Fave app. Once you've done that, the payment will be processed automatically. Benefits of using Favepay eCard. There are a number of benefits to using Favepay eCard, including security. Favepay eCard is a very secure payment method. All of your transactions are encrypted, and your card information is never stored on your device. Convenience. Favepay eCard is a very convenient way to pay for things. You can use it to pay for things online and in-store, and you can easily keep track of your spending. Rewards. When you use your Favepay eCard, you earn Fave Rewards points that you can redeem for discounts on future purchases. Cashback. You can also earn cashback on your purchases when you use your Favepay eCard. With that said, thanks for watching.